Hi, in this video, I want to talk you through the enhanced analytics dashboards that we're rolling out in November 2020. As you may know, we capture loads of rich data about how your site's used. We want to make it even easier for you to get valuable insights into this data, hence the new dashboards. You'll be able to access this dashboard if you're an admin, and you'll have access to it via the user menu, which you'll get to by clicking your profile picture in the top right and selecting Analytics Dashboard. That will take you to the new dashboards, and you'll see that there's two tabs currently. There's Behaviours and Content. So Behaviours gives you insight into how people are using the site. The first thing I can see is user reach. This will tell me the split of active users, inactive users, and new users. Active users being people who have logged in during the time period that you're currently looking at and interacted in the site in some way. Inactive users are people who have logged in the past but haven't done anything over the time period that you're looking at. And new users are people who have never logged in. You can also see the platform activity. So for your site, there'll be a lot more data than on this test site, and you'll be able to see a heat map view of when the most popular times are on your site. So when are the most users on your site interacting, viewing content and engaging, and that's going to help you push content out at optimum times. Naturally, I'll be able to filter by time. So if I want to choose a custom date range or look at the last 7 days, 14 days or 30 days, and I'll be able to filter this to split this down by a particular audience. And we'll have a look at that in action on the Content tab. So the Content tab will show me some stats at the top. This is similar to what you may see currently. One change, though, is rather than looking at views over the last day or average views, we'll be looking at total views over the relevant sort of time period. So currently I'm looking at content stats over the past week, so I can see the content, the total views, likes, shares and comments, and I can see how this is trending from the previous week. I can also see sort of content views. Now this will default to show you all content views, but I'll be able to choose to show a particular content types, and I can take out all, so I can see what the most popular content types are within my organization. And finally, for this dashboard, I'll be able to see different information about content. So how are people finding content? The first one is the impressions location. So I'll be able to see whether people are finding it through related content, search, discover, the homepage notifications, whether it's through pinned content or notifications that they've received. You'll be able to get this insight. So this will be a really useful way to see how are your users consuming content. You'll be able to see the split between UGC or user-generated content and endorsed, and you'll be able to see your most popular tags. And one of the great things that we've added is the ability to filter by tags. So, for example, if I want to have a look at this data, but I want to see everything that's been tagged with microlearning, or what the data is for everything that's been tagged with microlearning, I'll be able to select that tag, and I can see the views, likes, shares, and comments. I can see the trend, and I can see the impression locations for people who are consuming content tagged with microlearning. I'm also able to do the same by audience. If I wanted to select a director's audience, I'll be able to do that and see the number of directors who are viewing content tagged with microlearning, so we can get really granular. You'll be able to download content views into a CSV, and that's really it for the new dashboards. So we hope this is going to be a useful feature. We hope you're able to get loads of great insights out of it. And if you've got any questions or comments, please use the comments below this video. Thanks very much.